Okay guys, Cardi here with you guys again, and this time this is a little review of this subwoofer I get in. It's a 15-inch guys, and it's a Otis design built. Yes guys, this was built by Otis design. This is a guy in Florida. I don't know if it's Orlando or where exactly he's based, but yeah, but I know he make really good subwoofers guys. Yes, believe me, he know his stuff, he knows to do his stuff, He built a lot of subwoofers, and I see a lot of people with them, mostly in competition, in competition world, stuff like that, cause I built, a situation like that, But yeah, guys, this one comes in. Let me show you. Listen to this. You see? So yeah, this one there, the voice coil is messed up. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, you could see it. It comes apart the voice coil, so yeah, but yeah, let's let you guys see what's going on. Look, you could see that. Look, that guy do clean work. You see, you do really clean work. Flip this around, see that? And it's a dual tensile lead that spider guys. Yes, dual lead spider, for this sub. And I don't know if it's 1 ohm, 2 ohms guys, or 0.5, but I'm gonna ask the guy what he really needed in or what he did have it in before, and we'll go from here. So yeah, that's all guys, so that's not even a big issue to find out what exactly it is. But yeah, and another thing I like guys, I like this the color on this thing guys. I'm telling you, believe me. I don't know what they call this color guys, if it's cherry red or something, but man, I tell you, this color guys, I love it. So yeah, I love this color, I see a lot of his sub, and he always shoot some colors with that really, really nice. Yeah, and this is you see guys, 3-stack magnet, which is, this is a really beefy sub. A lot of place here for here to come through. You can see the voice coil through here guys, you see. Let me see if I can see. Hold on. It's separated. I pull it up and I see where the voice coil was separated, but yeah, you can't see it from it. So yeah, just let you guys know. Really nice sub guys. Otis design sub. Yep. Beautiful sub guys. Yeah guys, somebody tell me what color is this, I think it's cherry red if I'm not wrong, as they said, but yeah, it's nice and it's shiny and stuff like that, believe me. Beautiful. So yeah, and it used a 3-inch voice coil. Did I say that guys? Yes, a 3-inch voice coil that I'm gonna have to replace. Let me see, this spider is not so bad, but I think it could be stiffer because these people, they play these up really hard. So the spider it's not that bad. Maybe I replace it, maybe I don't. It depends, but I'll let you guys know if I'm gonna have to replace the spider, and stuff like that. But it's a really good sub. Really good subwoofer. So yeah, that's how it looks there guys. Really beefy. So I've been for repair. Yep. Alright, let me flip it over back guys. Let me flip it. Back. So yes. But guys, just please like, subscribe if you like what I see guys, but just let you know what I have. What video I have coming up. So this is the one coming up shortly guys, It's up for your voice coil replacement, and and maybe spider. But I'll definitely let you know what I'm going to do with this subwoofer guys. Yes, so yeah. So please like, subscribe guys if you like what you see so far, and Cardi guys. Look at that sub guys. You can hear this now. Hear that guys? Messed up. Voice coil is messed up, so yeah. So please like, subscribe guys if you like what you see so far. Cardi guys is out for now. Enough respect.